Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android version and freeing about 100 MB of storage. This prevents install failures. Next, open Google Play unless you have a trusted APK, because Play handles updates. Once there, search for a live wallpaper app, read permissions, and tap Install. You should install an app that matches battery and performance needs, because some wallpapers use more CPU or battery. After install, open the app immediately to grant permissions and start the configuration flow. Once the app opens, navigate to its main settings so you can pick the animation style and speed. This controls CPU load and look. Make sure to enable battery or low power mode if needed, because animated effects can drain your battery quickly. Preview the wallpaper in both portrait and landscape and test touch interactions. When you're satisfied, choose whether to apply to home, lock, or both screens, and tap Apply, then return to your launcher to verify the final appearance. To finish, check the wallpaper across apps and pages and monitor battery impact for an hour or so. If animations stutter or the screen goes black, reboot the device first. It often resolves GPU or service glitches. If problems persist, clear the app cache, check permissions, or reinstall the wallpaper app. This restores missing files. Finally, make sure to limit heavy background apps and enable battery optimizations if you want longer runtime, because performance tweaks directly affect smoothness and power draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.